Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my new video. We will solve remaining part of P2 May-June 2019, variant 22. This is task 1. We did it in the second video. And this task I have had solved in third video. So I'm going to skip task number 3. Task number 3 is about database. So application we are using MS Access. In other words, we could say the database, the module name is data manipulation. So examiner creates scenario for us and we have to solve them step by step. We are now going to prepare some reports. This is supporting file. You have to collect it from your source file. So go and find first is file and open database. Go and find this file from your source file. But in order to support this file is we must need to read using suitable database package, import this file. Okay, database application. I have already opened this. Use these fields name and that these are fields name and these are data type. We have to assign different data types to different fields. So go and import file first. In order to import file, we must click on external data, then select text file. So it will open this external data menu for us. Browse, find file. It will, of course, will take me to the work area where I have saved all my required files. Double click on this and make sure data file is okay. Then a first field is always it is a first one is always select one, select it and go to next. First row contains field names. Make sure it contains on the top row always contains the field name and these are records. Go to next, click on advanced and check every field. This is the fields and data types and we have to assign data types to the respective fields. So first we read is first find what is the field data types we are asked to assign them step by step. Ship reference is a text. Sale date is a date and time, and then a cruise reference, then departure port, destination, all having a text. Durations is a number or integer. Integer, as you know, we use for a whole number. Passenger is a number or integer we use for a whole number. Then board, text, and theme text. So we have to assign them step by step. Go here and click find database. First is a short test, sale date with the time. First reference a short text. I selected short test because it contains 255 characters. So no need to select the long text. So departure, destination, and duration is a long integer. Passenger is a long integer. It's a wise to use long integer because it's a short or a single are also available. So board, text, short, and theme, a short text. So go and make sure your date format is day, months, and years. Okay. So next instruction is find our next step is set the cross reference field as a primary key. So primary keys, as you know, when we want to make any column, any field unique. So we are going to make it as a primary key. So go and use the cross reference field as a primary key. Find your cross reference. Next, and make sure all fields data types has been assigned. Go to next, choose first reference, and yes, choose my own primary key. Okay, so finish, close. Here we are, and now my table, I have imported this table in it. So next task is place in your evidence document a screenshot evidence showing the field names and data types used in table. Go find this data type, go and open in a data type in a is a view. In design view, you can open this in design view. This is design view. So create a screenshot of this. No, first we are a date and time. Sorry, we have to change its a format. Format is a must be a day, month, and year. So go and find date format. It should come like this. Because here is the first, make sure to check your date format. Date format was this in month 26 and 19. So that's okay. It's a suitable. This format and create a screenshot of this. New find. Okay. See. Go and my evidence document. Control V and make sure things are coming. Yes, it shows the entire fields plus evidence 7. I guess it's enough. This is quite clear and visible. So here's a medium date, short and short text number oriented. That's okay. So next step is done so far. We have done this, this, and this. So yes. So next step is again import j229ships.csv as a new table in your table. In your database, set the ship code field as a primary key. So we will repeat same process, same method. Go to your table, insert, external file, one more file, and browse your work area, find it from work area. This is, make sure it's a comma separated file. This is comma separated. Okay. Then first select the first one. Next, first row always contains field names. Next, check. We haven't been asked to change any data type. So we will go and let it same. Format is always is a day, month, and year. So, okay. And next, I guess we are asked to make a ship code field as a primary key. Ship code should be primary. So ship code, this is ship code. Go to next, choose ship code is the primary, set as a primary key, then finish and close your second table. So here we need to create this one. Now, except this database dial, next point is next step, find. So done so far, this one we have done it. So create one-to-many relationship between, we did this And we are going to create a relationship between ship code in the ship table and the ship reference field in the cruise table. We got them primary because relationship was required. So now I'm going to create a relation between two tables. So here, tools, then relationship. Find two tables here. Ship reference, there is the ship code and ship reference. So if I click on the ship code, create a one-to-many relation by doing this. So sure, it shows one-to-many relation. Create. So as I click on this point, it will open this file again for me. Double click on this, look. So we were asked to create relation between two tables and relation type was one-to-many. So create one-to-many relationship between ship code in the ship table and the ship reference field in the cruise table. Isn't the same? Look, there is a ship code and ship reference. So this process, this method is called relationship between two tables, and type of a relation is one-to-many. Okay. So next step is go to here, and next step is done this, create paste into evidence document showing the relationship between two tables. Okay, again I will need evidence, use same tool, new, and create a relationship of this. Control C and go to your table. So I need to open a file, evidence document, sorry, evidence document was here. So is the evidence is evidence 8. Sure, we are asked to show evidence 8. Okay, go and evidence 8. Control V, this is how we have created evidence for this, okay? So next step is add the following as a new records in the cruises table. So here, some new records to be added. Step by step, I have already done a 2. Go and find your table here. So there is the records are this one, and the third table is go and find what is the requirement of first is this one, control C. No, go and I do it carefully because my remaining part is based and I have to report, present report. Go and paste in this. Then here, next one is I prefer do it through copy and paste because there's a less chance of a mistakes. So if because my slight mistakes becomes a cause of an error. Then here we are asked only type 21. We can do it manually because pretty easy. So this one I will do through copy and paste. 1 and 21. Okay. Go and press the 21. $2,100. Same we are asked to do. ठीक है. Then next is a full and none. Next record is, here is full and none. So that's all. Just go and save records. We did it. Using a field, just go and tabular report, okay. So make sure if you just have look and find them in the last record 19 May 18. So just go and save, go and find it here. It shows at the bottom, look, this one. So go and find next. Let's come down and solve step number 23. Using fields from the clues table, produce a tabular report that select only the records where the theme is art or music, departure port is Miami, show only fields, departure port, then sales date, theme, duration, passenger in order with the data and labels displayed in full. Don't group the table. Sort the data into ascending order and sending to sale, then has page orientation portrait, fit on a single page white. So include only the text. This is the title, display in the large font size at the top of the page. Calculate the total number of passenger in the selection and the position this number under the passenger column at the end of the report. Has a label total passenger to the left of this value, has your name, center number, candidate number in the header. It displays on every page. So we need to create evidence number 9. So here examiner asks us go and present report by using these fields of a table. So go back, click here, then table. So we are going to create a report. First go create and report visit, sorry, query visit. So always remember, whenever we create reports, so first we create query, then we present report against query, okay? So click here, then we are asked to go and find whatever examiner asked us to find first. First was the departure. So as we see and see here, departure port, destination, sale date, theme, duration, and passenger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 fields we need to add, and we have to show records accordingly. Whereas the theme is art and music and departure port is Miami. So theme is there. Okay. So go open file. First is a departure port. Next, departure port table is this, because we have to select a table. Then destination. Here is a destination. Then duration. Sale date. Sorry, sale date. Then theme, passenger. So 6. So no, next, go to next, next. So finish. Here's a one query. If you open this query and save this query and open now, we are going, just go and close it. Close. So query now next is what examiner asked us to show or present in your reports: departure port, destination, sale date. If we come and see and check, our query shows the same. If I click on this, so departure port, destination, duration, sale date, board, and passenger. 6. So where is theme? Go and find a theme. Go and add design view. Go and design view. Here is a departure port, destination. No. aspects. So here is no theme appearing like go and call. This one is not required. Board is not required. So just delete it. If I uncheck, so it won't appear in your document. So go to report again, open this. So here are departure port, destination, duration, sail date, passenger, and theme. So go and open this report in design view, whereas the departure port was. Theme is art and music, and departure port is Miami. So just go and select it. Do like this. B and database. For theme is art and music, and departure port Miami. So anything else? We have to find only this. So go and save report, view report, go and design tools, go and run your report. So here our themes are only art, music, and destination is only Miami. Here we are, look. Now we will present report of this query. So save this query and go and create, then report visit. Yes. Then report visit, select all dates. So go to next and find. Here we are asked to sort the data into ascending order of a sale date. So, and page orientation portrait fit on a single page white. This is title, C, and this one. Okay. Go find next, sale date. Go and find sale date ascending. Next, the portrait. Next. So right here, the same title what it has been mentioned in this paper. So go. Okay. Miami Cruises isn't valid. Why? It's not report to preview, but would you like to give you to your report? Modify. Okay. Wait. So let's come and create report by applying all these steps what we have to present in our reports. So go and find here, this is and create report. This is our query. Close this here because only we want to present these 6 fields and record in our query. So just close this first, create report visit and find query. We made this query first. Remember, reports always present against the query. First we create query, then we create report. So go and these 6 records are fields in it, select and next. Then here when I select this, do you want to add any grouping level? When it's like this, so it will group it. Right now it is not required, so no need to do this. So next, so sale is, date is ascending. As I got it first, sale is ascending order. Page orientation portrait, fit on single page white means then it includes only text Miami Cruises as a title displayed in the large font at the top of the page. So you better go and select it and give a title so we can save a time if it works. So calculate, then we have to show the calculation. Calculate the total number of the passenger in the section of positions, their number under the passenger column at the end of the report has a label total passengers to the left of this and show your center number, your candidate number, things on it. So go and first do it, then we will select it. Here, the report is this. So it's a portrait. Next, next. So here is a suppose just give it and see, does it accept it? Yes, it is. So we have created, first come and open this, close this view, open this view in a report view. This one is not required, just delete it some and go and see, write a file and first set the layout. Here is a layout. So when you select it, suppose there's a theme, just theme, control and press it. So passenger, theme. So first do like this, come. Then date. So destination is okay, then duration. Duration, then control and press. Passenger, then control. And theme. So this one is only go and select it. So theme. Here we, yes, we can create a gap. We can remove it by pressing this. Okay. So do like this. So this is the layout what we have to show in our report. So back and go and open this in data design view. Here we need to show, just give a little arrange a gap. Little bit, just change it because we need to show header and footer in it. So this is a report detail of this. And go when I select this, if I select all, select them and drag them down here and show your design label, write your name on this corner. Your name, center number, and your, sorry, candidate number, center number, 2, 3, suppose. Then here we need to show design tools, then total, sum, and show sum, and show title of this right next to this. So here is total records. This is basically total passengers. Show them here. So up to you, just go and bring here. So just go and see the layout, go and preview go and check it in a layout. Does it appear in the passenger header and footer? It comes on the, so this is, so just go and again, the title of this, layout, this one, and this is how we set it. So first report is then go and see the preview file, then print and preview. Look, the first page, see page part, it should be page number 1, and zoom this page number, go page number 1, then page number, total records. So if I select it, again, once I have look, departure port is Miami and theme is art and music. It is a total passenger, it shows here. So let's see and make another report. Print out, make sure that you have entered name, center number, candidate number, evidence this. Placed in your evidence document is screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the number of passengers. So again, open in design view and so layout, show it again here. So you need to get a screenshot of this. Save it, open in data in design view and create evidence of this, new, and make it here. Do like this. See, it takes sometimes time. Control V. So evidence 9. Next step is, let's come and solve step 24 using fields from both tables. Produce a tabular reports that selects the records where the ship name includes the taxi, duration is 14 or more, and board is full, contains new field called passenger underscore nights, which is calculated runtime. This field will multiply the duration field by the passenger field. So in this query, we will use both tables. That's why that relationship was done. So go and find there's a create and query visit. So sorry, cancel, go and close this. First create and query visit. Okay, so first the cruises table. So you better select them all. Only theme is not required and ship reference is not required. Rest remaining fields were required in order to present our report. So here then go and find ship. There's only ship names to be added. So go and next. Then next. Here, I would definitely, I would enter the report title, but due to some application error, it does not accept these options. That's why I only mentioned here a name, any name, report, second report, and I will give a title before presenting this report. So second report. So suppose I have changed name to finish. Now report is, there is a query. So this query. Now I will present reports and select this query in order to generate a new report. So make sure here's the things are, here's the records, sales, ship name, cruise, departures, port, destination, duration, passengers. Same things examiner asked us to go and add it, just sale, then cruise, reference, ship name, departure, port, destination, duration, passenger, board, and this is new field. It will run at runtime. So go and start. Now close this query, close it and create report. Go and just click it and run this query at the design view. This is the query, but because I had to ship name, as ship name was a C. So in this, and the ship name was, we have to look for only C, then duration is 14 or more, on board is full. So in this query, we will use wildcards here, and ship is, I will use static. Why? Because it's a wildcard or whatever I type in it. So no matter it is beginning in the letter or at the end, it will go and find it. So duration is greater than 14. 14 and boards, where is board? Full. So at this point, I have to add a new field. I will add one new field. It will run at one time by showing the multiplication. So I got it ready in my Word document because there was a so make sure and check it. All things are available. Yes, this is new field. New field was passenger underscore 9. So show the multiplication duration multiplied by passengers. Go and run this query. Make sure duration is greater than 14 and board is full and ship name is C. Go and run this query. Design and run. Now it has, this is the passengers. So its board is full and duration is all greater than 14 also. This is a report. So this is a query. So I will create report now. This is my second query. Here's the shape and see. So close this query, close it, run this and create your report, present report by using query 1. Records all fields are required. So uses departing name, save and ship name and passengers, sale, go and sale, cruises, departure, destination, duration, board, passengers, and the field we recently we have created. Next. So here is again, grouping is not required. Go and find destination is ascending. So destination is ascending. So, and duration is uh, duration is descending. So go to next. At this time, we will create a landscape report. Next, so landscape. Reports one. Then you type a name here, because we can, if we select this area here, but due to some reason my computer does not accept it. So you better I give us a so finish. So when I come on here, this is my report, close this preview. Now, this point is really important because here we need to display things as per mentioned in this paper. But if I click on this, just go and save report title. Rub this and give a report title. You can give a same name at the point when query was being saved here. So just go and check. This one is, this is the include only the text in PPC as the title display. This is the basically title display. Go and show there. B. So one part is so here nothing is we don't need to show any calculation, but if I make them in order according to paper, go and check your report here. Go and report layout. Look, this is your report layout. It's a field ship name, but we have to arrange them in order all. So first, as it's a better go and do it manually. Go here and here's it is a bit time taking, but I'm sure that whatever I will do, the things will be go here. This first was field was date. So go select here date and also change. It come in this reference date. Go and show date. I guess this is it will take some time, but things will be perfect. So next is cruises reference. So find your cruises reference at let's go here. Here, let's make it small. So this is cruises reference. So third one is a ship name. Third one is a ship name. Select, pick it, and show it here. Next one and ship name. Duration is here and go and show ship name here under this, as well as you will show the things should be come in the details, whatever is coming in the page header. So next was destination port. So destination port already is next to this. Go and destination port. Get here. There's less chance of mistakes. Layout, it's okay, good way, but when you are then destination. So here is a destination. Go and show destination here. and destination is here. Just make it small, shift and press it. Here is destination. Right next to this. Then duration, go and pick this duration. Duration comes after board, so board select it. Make it minimize. I believe in first spend time and make it correct. So here is a passenger. So board. So duration is come again. Just close, make it a bit, change its size and put them step by step. Step is a passenger and go to next. Next is my this field. Go, then go and bring it here. So I guess things all within a 5 minutes, I make them just remove gap here. So go and select. So just go and select them all and show your header and footer is coming on every page, sorry. So if I select all, select them, select on the top here, just drag them only one step down. So go and use, here is a design and label right here. Choose label in order to show your name and center number, candidate number, and PK23. So this is how we can manage. Now go and save this report and view in a layout. Look how refinedly I did it. It was, you can even set things like this. You just go, then control, if suppose it has taken some time, then select, go here and don't, make sure it's not overlapped. So this one, C and support destination and duration is Cisco and set the duration again. Do like this on your board. It's full. And passengers. Passengers is okay. And this one is new field. So that's all, I guess. Go and save and view the preview file and save this, print, then preview. Look, is the only landscape, a one page white. If I click it here, look, it's a one page white only. It shows entire fields in it. So just save it. So that's all with step number 24. Is there anything we are asked again? One more. As your number, consent number, yes, it is a pairing. So make sure that you have entered your name, center number. Yes, we did it. Okay, go and see. Yes, it is. Just close this. So let's come down and solve step 25, choosing field from both tables, produce an extract which select only records where the theme is tester, duration is less than 4, show only field, cross-reference, ship name and duration in this order with the data and the label displayed in full. Save this report by this name extract. So this time again, we have to use both tables and extract records from there. So, but this time I will create a query through query design. So create and query design, because fields are only both tables, first and ship. Close. From this here, we need to extract this field. From ship table is a ship name, then duration, then theme. So this is how we can use query through query design wizard. So theme is a tester. Duration is less than 4. Less than 4, and tester duration is less than 4. Ship. So theme is not a part of a report. Part of this, just mention it, and but a theme is only tester. So ship name less than 4. So go and see what is so ship name, duration, and cruises reference. So go and run this report. This ship name, duration, and theme is. Go and run this report. Design and so duration is less than 4. Ship names is this and cruises. If I want to check the report, but go and open it in a design view again, your report, and mention it to see whether query does work or not. So go and run it. Yes, themes are only tester. So again, go design view and uncheck and run this query. This is. So query name is an extract. Let's go and save it. Save this query by name. Extract. So there is an extract. Control C and okay. So this time. So now this is last step of this module is export the extract created in step 25 in rich text format. Save this exported file in your work area. Evidence, we have to show evidence in under evidence 10. So go and save it. Paste in your evidence document a screenshot to show how the exported file saved in your work area. Make sure there is a evidence of the file type. This, go and export. This, close this file, save it and close this file. Close it first. Close and save, right click, export, RTF file. And my work area. This is my work area. So at rich text format, save it. Okay. And close. Save export steps. Anyways, but it will save it. So go and find your working area. Find this file here, work area. There's the file, this file. So you have to create evidence of this. Go and find Snippy tool. This is the last step. And tool is new and extract only this file. So Control C and save in evidence number 10. Here is evidence number 10. Go and evidence number 10. Control B. So this is the file. It was saved with a rich text format. And that's all. Today's is a topic. Like before I end the video, I would like to mention important point here. When we design a report, we give a title before saving it. The title appears on the top of the report. However, due to application error, I could not save it. Before I end the video, I would like to mention important point here. When we design a report, we give title before saving it. The title appears on top of the report. However, due to application error, I could not manage or save the report title. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video.